All right, and welcome everybody to an audio tour of my apartment. Front door here. Welcome, welcome. Step right on inside. I'll lock that behind me. And here we are. This is or what I would assume is supposed to be the living room. If you looked at a floor plan of this apartment, it probably says living room here or living area. As you can see, it's mostly just got a bunch of stuff. A couple of my finished oil painting there. When I'm working on a couple of movable walls that I use as big things to stick paper to. Shelving here, like industrial shelving, because really what I think I need in order to sort out all this clutter is just more shelving or a big trash can or something. I've got a lot of my sketchbooks over here, you can see. These are sketchbooks that I've drawn at least one thing in, and then here's sketchbooks that I haven't drawn anything in. It's hard to fill a sketchbook, but thankfully I'm getting closer to fill one. Let me put my keys in my pocket. Here's that paper bag mask I made. Here's my giant pencil, about the size of a baseball bat. Pretty impressive, if I do say so myself. Pretty impressive. I just kind of have this leaned up against the shelves here next to the door in case anyone sketchy comes to visit. I'm going to take off my slippers, or as some people call them, house shoes. But I think I've actually worn my slippers more outside the house than I have inside the house. As you can see here, I have a lot of stuff sitting around, a lot of clutter. I think my main problem, if I was about to do some self-assessment, is that I get packages, I get things in the mail, I unbox them, and then I just toss the packaging back over my shoulder, and I don't do a good job of taking the trash out to the dumpster. So there's a lot of that sitting around. Also, I'm just kind of a cluttery person. I think maybe I need like electroshock therapy or something to fix whatever is making me so cluttery. Maybe I just need less stuff, maybe. All right, I'm walking over here to the other side of the living room, and this is where I have all my desks set up. And this is 3 of the same IKEA desk, 2 long ones and a shorter one in the middle with making a giant U shape. Got my computer over here in the corner, 3 monitors here, just like that. And then over here I can swivel my chair around. Also from IKEA. I didn't actually go to IKEA to get this stuff. I don't know, they sell stuff on the internet too, and then here's my drawing setup, you see, with my light umbrellas. There's probably some really cool stuff underneath all these piles of stuff just sitting around, It's like, what is under here? What is all this stuff? What is wrong with me? Oh, look, here's the Uggs I bought. I'll put these on now for the rest of the tour. Just for you guys. They're really comfy. But I bought them right before summer, which the timing wasn't the best on that, was it? All right, let's walk on over here, which on the floor plan I think was probably labeled either bedroom 2 or den, depending, which one you're looking at. I just have it open. I have more of an open floor plan, and I have a couch right here. This couch is nice. I got it from my friend Daniel. I guess he got another couch from someone else, so I got like a hand-me-down. Well, he got a different hand-me-down, which I'm assuming was better or fit the decor feng shui of his house better. And I like this couch. It's a little too short for me, lying down long ways on. I'll show you. As you can see, if I want to, I don't fit on this thing at all, but I like it because it's not perfectly comfortable. As I lie here like this, it's perfect for taking naps. Because if it was perfectly comfortable, if I lay down, I would just sleep for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. But as it is, it's good for taking naps because I'll wake up from discomfort after a little while and go back to work. Waking up from discomfort is a great way to end a nap because you won't just turn over and fall back to sleep again, right? Right, here's my electric guitar. Go on a little piece of this. That's a little piece I worked on in my own time, just kind of working on polishing that. Here's where I keep all the, just kind of leaned up against this wall right here. Here's where I keep all the, like the portraits of me that people send me and draw. It looks really weird. I think it looks really weird when people walk into my apartment because this corner of this room kind of looks like a shrine to myself. But really, it's like a shrine to my fans who drew pictures of me, I think. Maybe I'm just trying to justify having pictures of me hanging up over here, but I think it's cool because they're all from different people and they all use different mediums and they all look a little bit different, but they also all look the same because they're all my face. Okay, maybe I just like it because they're pictures of me. Yeah, there's another one. Here's my coffee maker on the floor. Oh, cute little guy. Look at him. Just sits there on the floor. Makes the coffee. Oh yeah. Here's another bandana. Right now I'm wearing a Rocky Mountain National Park bandana. It has a map on it, and then here's a cool wildflower bandana. I think I'm gonna switch bandanas right here. Just halfway mid-tour, you know. I can do that. I have some paintings there piled up in the corner. Here's a fan. Stuff piled up here. Here's my bookcase. Ooh, bookcase. Here's the things I take when I move. I take art supplies. I take my computer, and I take my art. I don't even need art supplies that much. I take my art, right? Things I've made. I take my computer, and I take my books. Those are the main things, right? Because I'm pretty proud of my book collection, at least most of the things in it. Actually, I think these shelves might be sagging a little, which is a good sign. A very good sign. You can come over and look at my books sometime. It's pretty interesting. I have a well curated collection. Right, here is the entrance to the bathroom. As you can see here on the door, it says restrooms. Down here on the floor, I'm stepping on some dirty clothes, which I stand in the bathroom, and before I take a shower, I take off my clothes, which is normal, and then I throw the clothes onto the floor out here in front of the bathroom, and eventually I pick them up. I'm now standing in front of the mirror in the bathroom, looking at myself, talk to myself. I'm talking to you, I guess, but I'm just talking to myself. And here's my toothbrush. It's got a little bit of gunk on it, but that's normal. You know, back around down at the bottom of the neck of the toothbrush, does yours do that little bit of like calcified toothpaste or something? You've got the baby wipes, some deodorant, an old kind of very close to empty hand soap, and a fresh bottle of hand soap. Here's a bottle of Clorox I just love spraying stuff with Clorox just everywhere over everything. That's what I do. Here's my Bluetooth speaker. I use this Bluetooth speaker every single time I take a shower. Every single time. Play some tunes, take a shower. All right, now I'm standing in the shower, and you're here with me. Here's my shampoo. It says Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Shampoo. An exclusive blend with vitamin B7, biotin, collagen, and hydrolyzed wheat protein. Helps to infuse nutrients into every strand and creates the appearance of thicker, fuller, healthier looking hair. But I really just bought it because it was a cool looking purple bottle. And I do have the conditioner supplement to that. And my body wash here says Everyman Jack body wash and shower gel, sandalwood flavor. I don't know why sandalwood does not sound that appealing. It sounds like it should be stinky feet, but take a whiff. It's actually pretty good. Not bad at all. Here's a shower cap I've used like 3 times, a washcloth. Ever since I got, well, it used to be that I couldn't see how dirty my shower was because I would take my glasses off before I got in the shower. But now I can see everything because I got LASIK surgery. So I can see how dirty my shower is when I'm in it. And every now and then my shower curtain gets very moldy just randomly over time, and I buy the cheapest shower curtain so I don't mind just throwing them away and buying a new one. Oh, here, guys, do you guys know about this tubeless toilet paper? It's the best thing. I love it. I would get it if I were you. Tubeless toilet paper. Here's my bedroom. Just turn on the light for you. I keep 2 yoga balls over there in the corner. I thought I was into yoga balls. I wasn't. Here's my bed. Oh, that's good. Nothing like a good bed. I might just stay here forever. Might be a miracle if I get up and make the video now. Sometimes it's a big mistake lying down in bed at the wrong time of day when you still got stuff to do. There's my ceiling. Good old popcorn ceiling. There's my lamp. My bedroom's pretty nondescript. I think that's it. I think I hit every room. Oh, the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. Freezer. Fridge. Full of bevies. All right. Yeah, and there's my sink, stovetop, range, oven. Boom. That's where the magic happens, ladies and gentlemen. And that's all for today. Shout out to Opalski for suggesting I do this audio tour, who was really interested. I did a video tour of this apartment when I first moved into it, but a lot of things have changed, most notably the clutter and the mess. But thank you all for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and see you later. Bye.